Put 2 RUE plants on the door of your house and see what happens. As you know, there are the energies, and there are negative and positive energies. Negatives do not want them in our lives. However, they exist. For all this, it is very important to eliminate them so that they do not give us bad luck. The RUE and the vinegar have always been used to eliminate the bad energies. Today we bring you several ways to eliminate bad energy with these 2 products. RUE. 1. Plant 2 or several RUE plants at the door of your home. This is known to attract money. 2. Put 3 leaves of RUE into a bowl of water and put the bowl next to the door. It scares bad luck. 3. Cut several RUE leaves and mix with flour, then knead and leave to the sun. Put these breadcrumbs in places that you feel there are bad energies in your home. 4. Put RUE in alcohol and leave it for several days. Use that alcohol to clean objects thought to have touched some negative person. 5. Dry RUE in the sun or with a stove, then burn that RUE in a charcoal. 6. Put several leaves of RUE inside a sake and place it under the objects that are at the entrance of the house. Vinegar. 1. Putting yellow flowers in vinegar next to the window that gives to the outside of the house is symbol of good omen and therefore of scaring the bad luck in some regions of the world. 2. Wash, after doing with another product, the lavatory with vinegar, say it helps to have economic prosperity. 3. Sprinkle with wine vinegar after an envious person visits your home. So far we leave you advice with vinegar and RUE to ward off bad luck. Hopefully then you can do them and make your life better. Remember, bad luck can be frightening and you deserve the best. If these tips with vinegar and RUE for bad luck do not give you results, you may need a protection ritual to increase your good luck.